the 7 best snorkeling spots in Vanuatu for beginners and families. Welcome to Vanuatu, a South Pacific archipelago of 83 islands, known for its stunning natural beauty, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Today we're exploring the top 7 snorkeling spots perfect for beginners and families. 1. Hideaway Island Marine Sanctuary. Just a short boat ride from Port Vila, this sanctuary is a snorkeler's paradise. With calm, shallow waters, it's ideal for beginners and children. Here you'll find colorful corals, tropical fish, and even a submerged underwater post office. 2. Tranquility Island. Off the coast of Ifate, this secluded island offers a tranquil environment for underwater exploration. Expect vibrant coral formations, curious sea turtles, and a variety of tropical fish. The calm waters make it enjoyable for all ages. 3. Port Olry. Located on the northern tip of Espiritu Santo, this village is known for its pristine beaches and incredible snorkeling opportunities. Families can snorkel right off the beach and encounter schools of tropical fish, friendly reef sharks, and even giant clams. 4. Peli Island. A short boat trip from Ifate takes you to this snorkeler's paradise. The island's calm lagoon is home to vibrant corals, tropical fish, and sea turtles. Don't miss the famous underwater Blue Lagoon, a natural swimming hole with crystal clear waters. 5. Champagne Beach. On Espiritu Santo, this beach is famous for its effervescent bubbles and excellent snorkeling opportunities. The coral reefs are brimming with life, and the calm, shallow waters make it ideal for families and beginners. 6. Aure Island. Just a short boat ride from Luganville on Espiritu Santo, this island offers fantastic snorkeling opportunities. The island's fringing reefs are home to an abundance of marine life, including tropical fish, sea turtles, and even dolphins. 7. Moso Island. Located off the coast of Ifate, this secluded paradise offers pristine snorkeling spots. The island's coral reefs are teeming with colorful fish, sea turtles, and vibrant corals. The calm and clear waters allow for leisurely exploration. Before embarking on your snorkeling adventure, remember to always snorkel with a buddy, wear sunscreen, and avoid touching or damaging the coral reefs. Respect the marine life and their natural habitat. So grab your snorkel gear, dive in, and prepare for an unforgettable adventure in Vanuatu's underwater paradise. Book with a Vanuatu specialist at Far and Away Adventures.